How to quickly record and send a voice message in the text messages app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, we go back to the messages list. From here, you can open up a new text conversation, or you can open the existing text conversation. Now go down to your text field in here, and right next to the text field, there is an audio button, so tap on that. So touch and hold on the button to start recording a voice file. This is a test. So over here, you can slide up to lock it. That will allow you to continuously recording the audio message. So you can tap on the restart button to start over. So tap on the record button, then tap on stop. Once you're happy, you can tap on the attach button. You can also change the background here as well, and then tap on attach. And then you can also write a brief text message. So voice text, and then tap on send. Okay, so that is one way how you can do it. Again, if you touch and hold here, if you want to cancel, you can swipe across like this to cancel your recording. So if you touch and hold and you make some mistakes, you can swipe across to cancel it. If you swipe up, touch and hold, then swipe up, then it will go into this mode here where you don't need to keep pressing the button, but it will still continue to record your audio. You can turn on or switch off noise cancellation, and then tap on the stop button, then tap on send. Then you can swipe up, touch and hold. You can play the voice file and make sure you're happy with it before you can send it out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is how you can record and attach a voice file in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra.